Hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. My hair is looking absolutely terrible. I've been walking around with this for like 5 days now, and this is just really washed out poison and sunset orange from Arctic Fox. And I mean it's a good fade, but this is not a good look. So you guys know what it's time for. I'm going to dye my hair, but this time I actually got your help to choose the colors and style and all of that. I have it here on my Insta story. I asked you guys what kind of style you wanted, a split dye or a dark to light, and it's 69% on split dye, so we're gonna do split dye today. 54% on dark color, and cool tones got 58%. And today I took some photos of some Arctic Fox hair dyes that I have already at home, and I asked you guys which color combo you wanted. You did not want the green and purple. You do wanted the Ritual and Blue Jeans Baby. So that is Ritual, this one, and Blue Jeans Baby. And yes, that is the colors that we're gonna do today. I'm so excited. 67% of you guys said yes. The green and blue got a no. The green and pink got a no. And then you really was like 50-50 on the pink and blue jeans. For those of you that really wanted this hair color, don't you guys worry, you know me, I will probably dye my hair soon again. You guys already know that I am a huge fan of Arctic Fox, so I'm so excited to say that this video is in collaboration with the one and only Arctic Fox. Woo! So for those of you that are not familiar with Arctic Fox, they are 100% cruelty-free, vegan, no harsh chemicals. They're just like a all-natural ingredients kind of hair care brand. They have loads of different colors. These are just 2 of them, but they have like all colors that you want. So I'm sure that you guys already know all of that about Arctic Fox, but something that you guys might not know is that they actually give 15% of their profit to prevent animal cruelty, which is something that we really love on this channel. I mean, they are just the best brand and I love them to death. So without further ado, let's color our hair. This color here and this color here. Step 1, bleach the roots. I am only going to bleach my roots and not this hair, as I'm going to try and take care of my hair this month. I don't know. As we are doing a really dark shade on both sides, I think that that will cover this hair very easily, so I don't think that will be a problem. Before you do anything to your hair, please change into a t-shirt that you don't care about. This is my Don't Buy, Love, Rescue It shirt, which is very fitting. All right, I'm gonna go through this bleaching part quite quickly because I know that you guys have seen me do this a million times. So I'm just gonna get this ready, and I will let you guys hop onto the fun part, which is the dyeing part. I just had a wonderful idea. Should we bleach and dye our eyebrows? That is not really a question because I've already made up my mind and I'm gonna do it. I mean, I feel like this could only be good. All right, so the bleach is in and I will be back when I've washed it all out and the dyeing will begin. I am back and I look insane. Look at my eyebrows. Oh my God, it's not even focusing on me because they can't see that I'm a human being. Yeah, this is how my brows look. They are very light, and it looks like I have a bald spot. So now for the dyes, I'm gonna go in with the Blue Jean Baby. I think this is the latest dye that they launched. I am so excited about this, and I've been wanting to use this ever since I got it like a few months ago. I'm so excited. On this side I will use that, and then I will use the shade Ritual, which I also think is one of the latest launches on this side, and the same thing with the brows. Okay, so let's just get started. You guys know I'm not the prettiest when dyeing my hair, so I'm just gonna do what I normally do, so don't be scared. I'm just gonna put this all over this side. That is the only thing that's going to be hard, to not put this shade on the other side. Whoop. There we go. Oh my god, this almost looks like it's going to be black. And if it is, you guys that have seen my latest video, I'm longing for black hair. So I'm actually really excited if that is the case. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the entire side, and I'm probably going to get some help from my boyfriend to do the back, even though I don't really trust him, as I've never really done a split dye like this. Or wait, I have. I've done this when I was younger, and this was my own hair. Shit. Oh well. Yeah, I'm gonna do this side, and then I will be back when I'm gonna do the blue. Exciting. All right, so with some help from Jonas, I finally got the back done, and I think it looks really straight. I mean, straighter, I do not know if it's possible. So let's just go straight in with Blue Jean Baby. This looks so cool. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. Fuck. Shit. I'm gonna get some help from Jonas to get the back, and then we will do the brows. So I will be back. I can't talk. Yeah, I will be right back. Okay, yeah. Älskling! Jag behöver din hjälp nu. Alright, now let's zoom in and let's do our brows. I have the two colors on here, and we're just gonna paint them on. I'm probably going to put it a little bit over as well, just to be sure that it's all covered. The brows are just everywhere, but I think that we will make that work afterwards. But yeah, this is how it looks right now. I will have this on for how long I feel like. At least 1 hour. I usually have it up to like 3. So see you guys in a few hours, and you guys will then finally see the result. I am so excited. This is the result. I mean, look. Look at this. What? I am so excited about this hair color combo. Like the brows now. I've also done my nails, so it matches. Hello. What do we think? I am like shocked how much I love this. I'm so excited that it's so dark, because I've been wanting to have darker hair for so long, but I've never really had the guts to do it. But now you guys made me do it, which I'm so excited about. This like mellow mauvey, is that the right word? I don't know. Like kind of dirty blue is like, I'm obsessed with it. It looks very mermaidy. I mean, I don't even know what to say. I'm so excited about this hair color combo. I have obviously filled in my brows. This is not just a dye, but they are dyed now this color. Although I don't really have any brows, so it's just like a little bit of hint of color. If you guys are interested in trying out something from Arctic Fox, I will have the direct link down below. I'm so excited about it. You can also check out my other videos. I have a lot of them using Arctic Fox from before, and I'm really excited. I also have a little Instagram video on my Instagram right now with Arctic Fox, and also I have a TikTok. So if you want to check that out, all of the links are down below. That is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, Arctic Fox, for collaborating with me, and that is it. Have a great day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye, babes.